When dining out, making healthy meal choices usually requires being mindful of dishes' sizes and ingredients, as well as selecting dishes that are high in nutrients and low in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. While eating out can be a fun and convenient option, it can also be difficult to make healthy meal choices when dining out. With so many tempting options on the menu, it's easy to choose unhealthy options. However, with some advanced planning and knowledge, it is possible to make healthy meal choices when dining out. Read the menu carefully and choose wisely. Before placing your order, carefully read the menu and make an informed decision. Look for grilled, steamed, or baked dishes, and choose options that are low in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts. Dishes that are deep fried, smothered in cheese, or full with creamy sauces should be avoided. Be mindful of portion sizes. Restaurant portion sizes can be larger than what you would normally eat at home. Consider splitting a meal with a dining companion or asking for a to-go box when your meal arrives and immediately putting half in the box for later to control your portions. Choose dishes that are grilled, steamed, or baked. Grilled, steamed, and baked foods are typically healthier than deep-fried or stuffed in creamy sauces. These methods of cooking can help reduce the amount of unhealthy fats and salts in a dish, making it a healthier option. Opt for salads, fruits, and vegetables as sides. Salads, fruits, and vegetables are excellent side dishes because they are low in calories, full of fiber, and high in nutrients. By selecting these options, you can add extra nutrients to your meal while also helping to balance out any unhealthy choices you may have made. Ask for sauces and dressings on the side. Sauces and dressings can add a significant amount of calories, fat, and salt to your meal. To limit your consumption of these ingredients, request sauces and dressings on the side and use them sparingly. Limit or avoid alcohol and sugary drinks. Alcohol and sugary drinks can quickly sabotage your healthy eating efforts by adding a lot of extra calories to your meal. Limit your intake of alcohol and sugary drinks, and instead drink water or unsweetened tea. Consider sharing a meal or taking leftovers home. Sharing a meal or bringing leftovers home can help in portion control and prevent overeating. If you're dining alone, order an appetizer or a smaller portion as your main course, or request a to-go box and save the leftovers for another meal. To summarize, choosing healthy meals when dining out requires some planning and knowledge. You can make healthier choices and enjoy a delicious meal without sacrificing your health goals by carefully reading the menu, being mindful of portion sizes, choosing dishes that are grilled, steamed, or baked, choosing sides such as salads, fruits, and vegetables, asking for sauces and dressings on the side, limiting or avoiding alcohol and sugary drinks, and considering sharing a meal or taking leftovers home. Thanks for watching. We upload new videos every week about health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos.